folks, and very good day from Amsterdam Schiphol Airport. Today I'll be flying to Madrid on board Air Europa's Boeing 737-800 aircraft. As you guys can see, I'm kind of sweaty. That has the reason that I arrived really late at the airport over here. So I'm sorry that I was unable to show you anything of Amsterdam Schiphol Airport, which is a truly impressive airport. So I'm really sorry for that, but the train which brought me here was like insanely delayed, coming all the way from Germany. So I'll say see you guys in the plane for further details and enjoy the upcoming report. That was like fucking close, guys.
Señoras y señores, bienvenidos a bordo del avión Boeing 737-800. Antes de despegar, procederemos a darles información sobre su seguridad. Es importante que presten atención, por lo que les agradeceríamos que no utilizaran auriculares durante unos minutos. Es importante que dejen su equipaje de mano en caso de una evacuación. Este avión dispone de 8 salidas de emergencia, 2 puertas en la parte delantera, 2 puertas en la parte trasera y 4 ventanillas de emergencia sobre las alas. Todas las puertas están equipadas con un tobogán de evacuación. Abróchese el cinturón de seguridad siempre que la señal esté iluminada y cuando se lo indique un miembro de la tripulación.
Alright guys, hello from the rear lavatory of this Boeing 737. How is this flight so far? Basically there is not too much to say about it. The cabin is cool, the crew as well, everything's decent, so no complaints so far. Just let's take a quick look at the lavatory. The water dispenser over here. I really don't like that if it's like flowing longer, so you always have to touch this to get your hands clean. Not appreciated. Anyway, nothing too special. Actually have some Air Europa sick bags over here. Well, I would say let's head back to my seat. Gracias, hasta luego. ¿Cómo es el próximo vuelo con Air Europa? I'm really sorry, by the way, for my bad Spanish skills. I don't know if that even made any sense what I just said. Anyways, well, as you can probably hear, English is also not my mother tongue, but I guess that's like a different topic. However, how was the past flight with Air Europa? Pretty pleasant actually. I honestly expected less. I expected an outdated cabin and yeah, like not such a nice feeling in flight. However, they had Wi-Fi. They had these monitors above the seat, even though they were pretty nonsense because they were just playing like advertisements for Air Europa on them. But anyway, so all in all, I also had a cool crew. So yeah, I think I would definitely take them again for this flight. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you next time. I'll now fly to Sao Paulo, by the way, to Brazil, also with Air Europa. So also stay tuned for this report. Have a good one. Cheers.